You are in my way, I need to go through that door. Or you are on my way, I need to go through that door. Which one is correct? What's the difference between on the way and in the way? Here's the summary. On the way means that something can be found in the direction of a place, a person, or a situation. For example, on the way to school, there is a gas station. On the way to school, I saw a rabbit. So, in the direction of the school, you can find a gas station. And in the direction of the school, or as I was going to school, I saw a rabbit. Another example, she is on her way to recovery. It means she's in that direction of recovery. So going there. Of course, you can also say on my way. You can use any possessive adjective before way. For example, hey John, where are you? Oh, I'm on my way. Where is Sally? She's on her way. Where are our friends? They're on their way. Now in texting, you can write OMW, which is a shortcut for on my way. And it usually means arriving shortly. So going toward that direction, place, or situation. There you go. Now you can be cool at texting. Alright, now let's talk about in the way, in my way. If something or someone is in the way, it means it's stopping someone from doing something. It's blocking the progress or movement. I can't get out of the driveway. There's a truck in my way. So the truck is blocking my exit. She wants to become a CEO and she won't let anyone get in her way. She won't let anyone stop her. Please move that box, it's in the way. So this box is stopping the movement in the house or in that place. I'm Jane and I help people become fluent English speakers with my conversation classes on Zoom and my free videos, of course. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It will help me post more videos for you and grow my channel. If you want to improve your speaking skills, join my English conversation classes. For more information, go to my website. The link is in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed the lessons. If you have any questions, ask me please.